2015 Itasca Cambria 27K for sale in Tucson, Arizona. This 2015 Itasca Cambria 27K is ready to make your traveling dreams come true. It is powered by a strong Triton V10 engine matted with a 5-speed automatic transmission. It features a charming layout design that is 29.33 feet in length and has a backup camera, factory cruise control, 2 slide-outs, 1 awning and sleeps comfortably up to 4. This is the ideal memory-making environment because it is clean, and has been very well maintained. This Class CRV comes with everything you need to hit the road with minimal effort, and you can be sure that it will be making memories for many years to come. Get ready to make this 2015 Itasca Cambria 27K your next home away from home. This unit has tons of options and features that will incite comfort and tranquility while traveling. Some of these advantages include solid surface countertops, 3-burner stove / OvenWhirlpool, microwave stainless double kitchen sink, refrigerator / FreezerWood drawers with ball bearing, smooth OpeningTwo television surround sound, DVD / CD / StereoQueen electric sofa, master queen size walk around BedMaster closet, backup GeneratorLarge exterior storage, aluminum wheels with new tires, outdoor entertainment center and outdoor shower, plus over $17,000 in factor updates and too many extras to list. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences. This 2015 Itasca Cambria 27K is ready to help you travel anywhere your heart desires, both safely and efficiently. Don't hesitate. Call today for information on how this unparalleled 2015 Itasca Cambria 27K can be yours.